Okay, this is a ZF6 HP transmission. It goes to the early models and new models as well, and it's same, but little bit difference in the new model of ZF8 HP, but you will get the idea. So this is I just replaced the seal over here. This is how it's not bad, but it's time I just remove it, so I'm replacing it. So this is how, and this is which one is new one. Now, if you are looking from up to bottom, whenever it's over like this, then it should be passenger side to driver side. Small, small, mid size, and long size. This is how it goes. I took it out from just putting a screwdriver, make it pressure, and pull it. So let me put it a new one and show you how it goes. Now, from here, top, this one, top, second one, third, and fourth. Over here, look for this one. These two look same, and this one is longer, and this is longer. So what I'll do, I'll make it same align. This is how you gonna match it. Let's say this one. I see any. You can see this marking over here. You can check it. Some of the space are difference or not. Man, you're fucking my video. Okay, start from here. Filling in. Let's see how much it goes. That's how it was looking. Second one, you know what exactly you're looking for. This is the size difference. Okay, that what it is coming out. So maybe you have to cut it after that, but depend again. Once you pressurize it properly, we'll bolt it out. But I will let it tap it once I finish it. So it need to be adjusted properly. It will go in. That pressure what you need it. It will go in. You have to balance it because this is where well body press it in, and that hole will be pressing over here. That lines are here, so this one goes over here. So oil pressure has to be pressurized. So if too much up, that will leak over here. If tight, then it start not holding it, then it will leak it again. So that was the issue on the normally cars. So we have to be make it as much as in, and then I'll check it. Once I'll check it, if I need to adjust it, then definitely I'll gonna adjust it, but I'm sure that will not need it. So hopefully it will help you out. Every transmission have their own scenario, so it's up to you. Please share, subscribe my channel, and I hope it helps you out. Thank you.